Scenes in Blender can get very heavy, not only with the poly count for faces, but with heavy textures. So what we can do is use the OCP add-on, set the threshold to 0, and click Find Highest Face Count. Now it's going to do a nice favor for us and add proxy instances to everything, but they're just bounding box. So what we can do is come into the custom area. I'll grab trees and plants, and I'll throw a trunk in right here. I've got a rock back here, so I can throw this in as a rock. And don't forget, check the previous video, you can add a custom category here, and then anything you want, and it's going to show up. Now I have named in here, and then I can just add a custom, highlight it, and click Add Proxy. But check the previous video. So now all we go ahead and do is hit render, now that our scene has been sped up. And then our render will pop up here. Everything looks the same as it would with no proxies. So they don't show up in the render. There's a ton of other extra features. There's an actual interface down here for not only your basic selected objects, the individual object controls, and then global controls, which is really, really cool. Sometimes you may want to just turn everything on or off, and you'll be able to do that right down here. So if I don't want any of these proxies to show, I can just go ahead and click here, give it a second, and all the proxies will turn off.